What's up, Leo? What's going on here?
What up?
All I see is tires. I see a wheel. I see a, what was that, a tube? That inner tube?
Yeah, inner tube.
Yeah, what's going on, bro?
Changed it on the back tire. Went riding and your boy was slipping and sliding.
You went hucking and shit?
Yeah, I went hucking shit.
Damn, let me see how dirty you got this bike. Damn, okay. I see you put in some work, bro. Damn, you wild, my boy. Triple X over here. Yo, what is good, everybody? Hope you guys can hear me. It's windy as hell out here for whatever reason. It was fine, like, wasn't it fine like a few hours ago, bro?
Yeah.
I don't know where this wind came from, but it's so windy. I hope the mic is working. But anyways, hope you guys are having a good day. What's up? Thank you for coming back. So yeah, same shit, you know. We're gonna keep sanding this, you know, Civic down. My boys stay doing some savage shit, and yeah. I'm only gonna be working on this really shortly today. We're gonna go with Jose and Xander in a bit, and whoever else in the squad is tagging along. But Jose is gonna be doing a cinematic on Xander's car. So yeah, we're gonna tag along. Should be dope. Get some good clips, some good footage. But yeah, until then, I'm gonna keep working on the Civic. We're almost done. I just really gotta get in there and get the hard spots of the blue to get out. I worded that really weird, but yeah, just basically that's it, guys. That's it. We're so close to being done. And then there's this side, but yeah, so close. We got rust. Fuck, I got to throw it away, bro. I got to throw the whole car away now.
It's got rust? Wait. Rust in California?
Rust in California? What's going on, bro? I gotta throw the car away, bro. This shit's salvage now. Oh, it's fucked, dude. It's fucked. That's it, bro. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta throw away the whole thing now. It was a good run, but you see this? You see this, bro? I can't. This shit's gonna kill me one day, bro. I'm just kidding, guys. It's really not that big of a deal. I know some of you guys in other states, probably like New York or Colorado, where it snows. I'm sure you guys get a lot of rust. Comment down where you guys live at and if you guys get rust or not. So yeah, thankfully out here in Cali we don't have any snow, but it's not really a big deal, guys. I'm gonna just.
Snowed not too long ago.
I know it did snow for once in like fucking, I don't know how long I've been here, but yeah. But it's not a problem, guys. We're gonna sand it out right now. And then I'm gonna put just a little bit of primer so it stops rusting. Alright, guys, so I'm out of sandpaper, but I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow anyways. For sure tomorrow all the red is gonna be gone for sure by tomorrow. That's my set goal, so I'm gonna just continue the video tomorrow. But at least this side is pretty much blue free. Hey, what's up, Zan?
What's up, buddy?
Jeez, bro.
Yeah.
You ready, bro? You ready for the cinematic?
I'm always ready. You know that.
All right, bro. I see you. I see you. You got the car nice and clean? Nah. That's all right. You can't tell, bro. It looks good. It looks good. Yeah. All right, guys. We just met up with Jesse, Xander, and also their buddy who has a shaker Challenger that we're gonna do a review on.
You know what? What? Today? No.
No, I know, but I'm saying.
No, I know.
Yeah,
Fuck no, what the fuck?
Yeah, guys, so that guy's actually down the review, and this Challenger is pretty badass, so if he pulls up right now, I'll show you guys. You can also hear it. Alright, so shout out to Jesse for holding the camera. Oh shit. Oh, there's people going.
You live, baby.
Alright, hey, that's my boy right here. Hey, what's your name, bro?
Jared.
Hey, that's my boy Jared. Alright. I knew his name, okay. I just wanted to say his name. But guys, comment down below if you want to see us do a review on this next. So, I mean, badass. Just give us a quick brief, bro. Of like,
It's got the iBalk Pro kit, straight pipe, and they haven't done too much to it, honestly.
hell yeah.
It's just hard. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, there it is.
The honeycomb?
Yeah, it's just hard.
Yeah, I was like, what the heck?
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a shaker.
A big roll.
Is that the tower itself? That's how
No, it's a tip.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me and my buddy Travis did it. That came out actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Dude, you can put it on. Dijo que vio el carro de...
Damn, who pulled up? Is that Miguel? Is that Miguel? What's up, G? Damn, we at the first location right now. Look at my G. I mean, it'll be like that sometimes.
20 minutes.
I started this car before. I don't know how.
Alright, let me see this.
Let's see your shadow. Alright, ready? Action.
Dude,
That's fucking dope.
that's gonna look so sick. And when I come around the corner, that shit look hard, bro.
Damn, bro, low key. I smell love.
It smells loud.
Yeah.
That was me, bro.
That shot's so sick.
I love how you sit behind the poles. So as you're walking by, you get like.
The pole,
You saw
yeah.
that?
Yeah, that's fucking fresh.
Dude, that is so hard to.
Oh, they're racing, bro. They're racing. They're racing.
Battle of stances.
Hang out the best.
I know. Oh, damn.
I'm scared, bro.
Hey, let me drive the boat.
Alright.
First time in the Challenger.
Yes, sir. Bunch of Honda pictures.
Damn, got this quesadilla, bro. What'd you get, Lou?
Carne soft fries.
Yeesh. Oh shit, my boy hasn't got his food yet. What'd you
Solid
get?
fries for the win. You already
Hell yeah, bro. Damn,
Solid
you guys
fries,
all
bro.
got kind of solid fries? Wait, Brian? Wait, hold. What the? EG Hatch? What's going on over here?
This isn't an operation, I promise.
Brian, what's going on here, bro? I see two single cams. I see a empty engine bay. What's going on, G?
Let's just say, some gay shit's happening.
Hey, bro, how you been, bro? Haven't seen you in forever, bro.
I've been alright, just
Just grinding, I see.
grinding by myself, some boring shit.
Sheesh.
That's the B20B block.
You said B20 block?
B20B, baby.
Damn, so you got two single cams and you got a B20B block.
Yes, sir.
Damn, bro. You gonna be in the future? Looking for that
B.
VTEC head?
I might, VTEC or not, Marcel has those non-VTECs.
Yeah,
if I
that's
go
true.
non-VTEC, I have to go boost.
Yeah, that's true.
That's just-
either
that's
either way,
just-
I mean, is you're winning, you know?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
for now, this is a D15B that I'm
Uh-huh.
swapping out because my D series had a fucked up block, so
I was swapping this shit out with it. So, but it is the non-VTEC. It is from Japan, but non-VTEC. Everybody's asking, oh, it's VTEC? VTEC has spark plugs in the front. So,
the more you know. The more you know. Yo, what is up, my guys? Thank you guys for tuning back in another episode of, I don't know, just random shit. So I decided to stop by my boy's house. But I'm actually gonna head to Leo's right now. I was waiting for him. He was getting like a haircut, you know, looking poppy as fuck and all that. So you already know. Yeah, you already know. I'm about to give him a baby later. Damn, I'm falling off this shit. I don't know why I'm saying this. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go over to Leo's. I have all day to finish the Civic. So Brian might pull up later.
yep.
He's gonna be taking care of all this. If you guys want to see more content on the EG, head over to his channel. It'll be down in the description box. So yeah. Hopefully it comes through later. It's been a while, and let's go back to Leo's right now.
I'll see you guys there.
Now we are at Leo's house. Leo and Brian actually went to the store, so it's just me all by myself. I've been sanding for like the past, like at least 2 hours, and I haven't really been recording because I know a lot of you guys are getting bored of the sanding, but I'm almost done. I'm gonna finish it right now. I just need to go buy some sandpaper. I'm waiting for the guys to come back because it's not my house. And I don't want to just leave with the garage open and all that shit. So, yeah, literally, it's just all that blue that you see. That's all that's left. But, yeah, I've been putting in a lot of work. So today, all that red that you see, I sanded. I finished the roof as well. And for the antenna, we're actually just going to delete this. So, we're going to put sheet metal right here. And then just sand it and get it all smooth because I can't really sand all around. So we're just gonna delete this and it'll look cleaner and it'll make things easier. And speaking of the devil, look, we just pulled up. So yeah, I'm gonna run to the store real quick and finish the sanding, and then I'll show you guys the end result because we're almost finished. And whew, so much work. I'm so filthy, all types of dust all over me. But it's worth it. Damn, Lee, what'd you get?
Me? I got chips, and teriyaki chicken, or beef jerky teriyaki.
Hey, someone commented last video said Leo's always snacking on something.
Yeah, I don't eat food.
What'd you get?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, alright then. Much sanding later. Most of it's out. I just have that little spot right there and the side skirts on the handle, but for the most part I have not seen this much red in forever. But now my trunk is fucking not closing and I'm over this car, bro. You want another Civic, Brian?
I'm good, Jimmy. You can keep this. I want a hatch.
You sure? I mean, you could paint it, bro. That's almost ready to be painted, you know?
You know what? With this happen like that, I'm good.
I don't blame you. Piece of shit. Oh, I'm so fucking dirty, man.
Damn, Leo. What happened, bro?
What?
Your leg? What do you mean what?
I've always had this.
Really?
Yeah, remember when I hyperextended my knee?
You've had that on this whole time?
No, it just hurts some.
Guys, I'm so sad, bro. Like, this car is so ugly. Like, it used to be pretty decent at one point, and now it's like the Lakers. They're just going through the rebuild mode, you know? It's rebuild season. What do you think, Marcel? Still a lot of sanding to go? Well, not really, but
I think those dogs need to be quiet.
those dogs do need to be quiet, bro. I think they want some of your Lunchables, to be
That's
honest.
too bad, because they can't have it.
Why not?
That's mine. No, I don't think so.
What?
I got this bumper and shit.
Nah, the bumper, I'm gonna
Why
get
is there new bumper anyway?
yeah, I'm gonna get a new bumper, so the bumper doesn't even really matter. And then I want to get different side skirts, so, and the hood, I want to get a different hood, so I mean, it's pretty much done. Just that little blue right there, and then just little crevices. Yeah, there's no point in painting it, or you know, because it's all wavy.
Oh yeah.
So it's gonna. I might as well just get a new hood. Might as well just get a carbon fiber one.
How bad is it?
It's pretty bad. You don't remember? It has like a. I just feel it.
Oh, I felt one already.
Yeah, that's pretty bad, dude.
Yeah, you can't even see it anymore either.
Hey, you said what?
If the Takashi 69 was a car.
Fuck you. Hey, I know you ain't laughing at me, boy. That's alright. Your EG paint's fucking clean as fuck. You can laugh at me all you want.
Hey, and it's a hat.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Go ahead, laugh at me. Ah! Fuck you, guys. Whoa, what's wrong with rap, Fuck. I don't want to touch myself.
Dude, shit, somebody took that silver.
It would be a shame.
It would be.
Oh shit.
It would be a shame. This is the nicest thing my car has.
I know, it would be a shame to start putting the CRV too.
You guys good? Bad deal over here.
You ain't got the purple dude.
Oh shit.
What kind of shit you guys talking about?
And you got some deep shit here.
I don't know if you guys knew, but anyways,
Oh shit. Alright, no more.
Alright, so like I was saying, hope you guys enjoyed today's. Bro, I'm fucking dusty, bro.
This is some bullshit, bro.
Bro, I'm tired of this shit.
You know what?
This shit getting old.
Alright guys, so I know you guys were getting tired of all the sanding, so I promised that'll be the last sanding video. I fucking hate these guys so much. I'm gonna just wrap with this outro because
Well shit, get to it.
oh my god, bro. Anyway, so I know you guys were tired of all the sanding, all the shitty sanding. But yeah, I was getting tired of the sanding. I was tired of just fucking uploading that. Like I was getting tired of it. So next video, we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna keep working on the Civic, but no more sanding. So what's up, Marcel?
Nothing, bro.
Oh, wow.
Oh shit. Civic.
Anyways, if you guys are enjoying the videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. The Civic is, we're gonna keep working on that shit. You good, bro? Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I don't know.
Go subscribe to Brian Using 300.
Oh, the shameless plug?
Shameless plug.
Also, if you guys didn't check out the last video me and Jose dropped, go check it out right now. It was dope. The production on it was really good. So go check it out, guys. With that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Be righting my wrongs when I be writing these songs. I'm sacrificing it all. The lonely nights are my motives. Put a price on your